Good morning. Welcome back to 4th Science online class. In previous class, we learnt about teeth, sets of teeth, types of teeth, parts of teeth and care of teeth. Today, we are going to learn about digestive system. The food that we eat is broken down into simpler forms. These simpler forms of food give energy that can be used by our body. The food that we eat is broken down into simpler forms. These simpler forms of food give energy that can be used by our body. Okay, what is digestion? The process by which food is broken down into simpler form so that it can be easily taken in or absorbed by the body is called digestion. The process by which food is broken down into simpler form so that it can be easily taken in or absorbed by the body is called digestion. There are various organs that work together and help in digestion. These organs together form the digestive system. Okay. What are the organs involved in the digestive systems? See, mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, liver, large intestines and anus. Mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, liver, large intestine and anus. Okay, we will discuss the detailed study of this. The picture explains the process of digestion. First, mouth. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. Here, food is broken down by biting and chewing with the help of our teeth. Our lips hold the food in. Tongue pushes the food inside the mouth as it mixes with saliva. Saliva contains many enzymes which moisture the food and break it down into smaller particles. The food becomes soft and smooth. Next, food pipe. Our tongue pushes the food down into the esophagus. This process is called swallowing. Esophagus is a long, thin tube which transports the food from the mouth to the stomach. It is also called food pipe. Next, stomach. Stomach is J-shaped, strong muscular bag that can stretch to store food, where food is broken down further. Next, small intestine. Small intestine is a soluble substance or easily absorbed by the walls of small intestines. Here, all nutrients are absorbed by the blood and taken to all parts of the body. Next, liver. It produces juices that play an important role in the digestion of food. Next, large intestine. The large intestine receives remains of food from the small intestine. Then excess water and salts are absorbed here. The waste products from the digested food is moved down to the end of the tract. Then anus. The solid waste passes out the body through the anus. Okay. The food process starts from the mouth. The digestion of food starts from the mouth. Then mouth, the food breaks down into small pieces. Then it passes to the stomach through food pipe. Here also the food broken down further. Then from stomach, the food goes to small intestines. Here, all the useful nutrients are absorbed by the blood and taken to all parts of the body. Then liver. Liver also produces juices that also play an important role in digestion of food. Next, large intestine. Large, it holds the food that cannot be digested, absorbs water from it, and forms wastes are called feces. Then anus. The solid waste are removed from the body through the anus. Okay, next, healthy eating habits. Healthy eating habits are also important for good health. Some healthy eating habits are given below. Chew the food well and do not swallow it whole. Chew the food well and do not swallow it whole. That means you bite and chew the food. Next, eat fruits and vegetables every day. This will provide your body with minerals and vitamins as well as dietary fiber. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. This will provide your body with minerals and vitamins as well as dietary fiber. Next, always wash your hands before and after meals. Wash your hands before and after meals. Next, rinse your mouth well after meals. Then always try to eat a balanced diet. Try to eat a balanced diet. Then always eat clean, fresh and well cooked food. Always eat clean, fresh and well cooked food. Chew the food well and do not swallow it whole. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. Always wash your hands before and after meals. Rinse your mouth well after meals. Always try to eat a balanced diet. Always eat clean, fresh and well cooked food. Thank you.